All right, guys, welcome to this video where I'm showing you how to scrape an email right in Manychat. So the normal way to get emails is you send someone from an ad to an opt-in page, they enter their email, and then that takes them to a VSL. What's cool and what we've done is because they're already in Manychat, we really want to grab it here. So here's what we do. We come inside, we'll click on edit, and the first thing we do is click user input. So this box right here, we put an image, and then this here is called user input. So when you come down here, it's this, user input. And when you click that, you can choose to get an email, okay? Now, what I recommend you do is make sure that if they don't enter their email, that you put something. I'm going to show you what this looks like in a minute. But we say, hey, make sure you enter your email or it's going to keep popping up. But what we do is we'll put a user input. We put something like this, and then they'll click and insert their email. So just so you guys can see what I'm talking about, we'll send the flow here so you guys can see it. Okay. And when it opens up, you're going to see how that looks. So again, it opens up here, and then look how it pre-populates the email. So the person will see this and go, oh, okay, I need to click. Now let's say they don't. Let's say they put JK, JK. It's going to send that invalid message and say, please click the pre-populated field for the email. So if you guys go back here, you'll see that I put retry message if the answer is incorrect, and this is the message it sent, okay? So you want to make sure you have that. So then I'm going to click, and then when that happens, it will scrape that email inside our active campaign. Well, why is that important? Because you need emails, guys. You need to be doing email marketing with everything. So how does that look? Well, what you do is you go to Zapier. You're going to come here, you're going to click Manychat, you're going to choose app or event, new or updated custom field, then connect your account, obviously, okay? Set up your trigger, customer email, okay? And then you're going to test the trigger. How do you test it? You come in Manychat, you'll click preview, and you do what I just did. If it works, it'll scrape that data. Then you'll continue, and you're going to do the same thing. So you're going to go to Active Campaign, MailChimp, whatever you use. Okay, you're going to choose create or update contact. Okay, you'll click continue. Then you're going to connect it to your active campaign, which is what we recommend you use. You'll want their email, the first and last name. Everything else is fine. You can leave it blank. Okay, so you come down the bottom, you go continue. And then you're ready to rock. And if it works, you need to test it. Have someone in your family go inside and click on your growth tool and make sure that their email scrapes. And then once they're inside active campaign, you can start sending emails to them and add them to your automation. So for example, what I do is once they're a contact in active campaign, I'll come here and let's say that they're added to one of my email lists. All you're going to see is that at the top, that email that got scraped is now going to get added to one of my lists, which then activates this automation. So the second they do that, you'll see contact subscribes to List Fit Pro. It will go in here and it activates and it starts the automation. So hope this is helpful, guys. It's super helpful. We really recommend you do it. I just want to make sure you knew how to do it and I showed you. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.